Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this part of fraction series, I will be introducing equivalent fractions. Yes, equivalent fractions एक ऐसा टॉपिक है जो बच्चों को काफ़ी ज़्यादा मुश्किल लगता है. तो चलो आज हम उसको बिल्कुल ही बेसिक तरीके से मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करने वाली हूँ. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. नाउ एक मदर थी, उसके दो बच्चे थे. Now she was giving pizza to them. They were ready and very excited to have their pizza today. Now she obviously wants to distribute equally among them. So what she did, she gave half of the pizza to her son. Now this is half of the whole fraction. So she gave half pizza to her son. Now her daughter was bit adamant. She said कि मुझे ना 2 parts चाहिए. तो मदर ऑल्सो ट्राइड टू प्ले स्मार्टली. उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने उस पिज़्ज़ा के ना, अगर वो पिज़्ज़ा एक होता होल तो उसके अगर मैं 4 पार्ट्स करती तो ये 2 पार्ट्स क्या बनते, इट वुड हैव बीन 2/4, है ना. तो ये 2/4 पार्ट उस पिज़्ज़ा का जो हाफ था उसके 2 पार्ट करके 2/4 जो फ्रैक्शन है, she gave it to her daughter and her daughter was very happy that she got 2 parts. But अब son जो उसका बेटा था, he was bit sad. उसने बोला कि ममा आपने मुझे तो 1 पार्ट दे दिया और मेरी बहन को 2 पार्ट. दिस इज नॉट फेयर. तो उनकी ममा ने अपने बेटे को प्यार से एक साइड पे जाके समझाया, कोने पे ले जाके समझाया. She said कि अरे देखो, I gave you half of the pizza. Now 2 पार्ट जो आपकी सिस्टर को मिले हैं ना, वो एक्चुअली में हाफ ही है. They completely overlap the half pizza. So this half is actually same as 2/4. Yes, these are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are those which look different but have value same. मतलब वो देखने में तो अलग लगते हैं but value उनकी same होती है. Now 1/2 is same as 2/4 because they completely overlapped, right? Let's move further. Like flowers. अब आप सामने आपको जो पिक्चर में फ्लावर्स नजर आ रहे हैं, कोई रेड कलर का है, कोई ब्लू कलर का है, कुछ येलो कलर के हैं. They look different. But what is the value that they add? They bring smile on our face. They have such a great fragrance, right? So value in सब flowers की face है. हाँ, देखने में ये सब अलग अलग हैं, right? Now let's take one more example. I have a circle और मैंने circle के 2 parts कट करे, right? Now this red part is 1/2. Now here the same half was divided into 4 parts. Now the same circle was divided into 4 parts. Now this half part, the red part, is 2/4 here. The same half here it is 2/4. Now अगर उस same circle को मैं 8 parts में कट करती हूँ, equal 8 parts में, तो वो red portion क्या बन गया, 1 2 3 4. This is 4/8. So that means this red portion is same as 2/4. This red portion which is same as 4/8. So these are again equivalent fractions. Now let's move further. Let's try to understand with a bar. Now this is a brown color bar. Okay, I divided into 3 equal parts. Now this blue part is 1/3. Each part is 1/3. So if I talk about blue part, that is 1/3. Now if the same bar is divided into 6 equal parts, now this blue part is 1/6 and 1/6, that is 2/6. Here the blue part is 1/3. Here the same blue part is 2/6. Here that same blue part is 3/9 because the same bar, the same rectangle was divided into 9 equal parts, and you can see that same blue portion over here is 3/9. So ये जो 1/3 है ना, ये same है 2/6 के, ये same है 3/9 के. It looks different बट इन सब की वैल्यू एक दूसरे के बराबर है. They all came from 1/3. Right? So fractions who look different but their value are same are called equivalent fractions. I hope this video helps you to understand equivalent fraction in a very interesting way. So if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye for now.